Another day, another adventure. Today is January 17, 2026. At nandito tayo sa Pagadian City para umattend ng kasal ng pinsan ng aking asawa. Kaya tara, samahan niyo kami at
This is the moment been waiting for, to finally you'll be mine. I'll promise to Allah, we'll love you eternity. I'm gonna hold your precious hand, let your past